What's up, guys? ViperFPV here, and today it's April 2nd. I know I told you guys I was going to release this video on the 1st, but I actually got caught up painting my kitchen, actually, and I didn't finish it until about 11:30 last night. So today is the day of the video. I'm going to release for the t-shirts, and I actually went ahead and there's 7 winners, so I just went ahead and just did it. I recorded it after this. If you guys want to check out me just picking winners, you're more than welcome to do so. So I'll put it at the end of this video. But right here, I'm going to post right now, we have our 7 winners. We have Scree FPV, Dustin Gable, Rogue Pilot, Blades FPV, Noah Witch Lads, The Lazy Rocket, and Chainsaw FPV. You all won a ViperFPV shirt. So email me your t-shirt size and your mailing address to my email address, viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com, and we'll make arrangements to get these shirts shipped out to you. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving right at the end of this video, me just picking the winners if you want to just watch that. But this is ViperFPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace. Alright, so picking a winner. So I already pasted that in there. Got 31 comments, but I think there's some replies in here. Yeah, for me. So we're going to remove those. Turn that down. Alright, so I already loaded the comments in this random YouTube comment picker. We have only 29 comments, so your chances of winning a t-shirt is pretty high. So let's pick these guys. What am I doing? Pick a winner. I'm gonna get my notepad out so I can write notepad. Okay, we're gonna pick a first one. Scree FPV. Okay. And we're gonna pick another one. Dustin Gable. Looks sweet. Sign me up for sure. What a great way to support the channel. Send stickers. That's winner 2. Rogue Pilot. Blades FPV. Shane Duggar. Unfortunately, he says he didn't make any 2XTs, so it looks like he will not be eligible, unfortunately, so we'll have to skip him. Noah. Fingers crossed, been subbed for about a year now. Stay safe. Awesome. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're picking 2 more winners. The Lazy Rocket. Chainsaw FPV. Still rocking the Stingy. Still flies great. I have not broke anything yet. Love it. Now I need a matching t-shirt. Looks like you're the winner also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are our winners here. If you've won, contact me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com. But that's pretty much it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for future content.